Task number 2, Payrise. Firstly, we're going to sort showing the highest salary first. So we need to make sure that we highlight all of the information, sort and filter, custom sort, and we're sorting by annual salary with the highest first, so largest to smallest. Step 2, use an appropriate formula in column E using an absolute cell reference to calculate the pay rise amount for each member of staff. So we're going to do 32,500 times 5% and press F4 to make it absolute. Revised salary. So how much are they getting now? We're going to take the annual salary and we're going to add on the pay rise. Notice how we're not using sum here. We're only adding two numbers, so it gets treated like a multiplication or a divide or a takeaway. We do cell plus cell. And then drag that down. If you have a quick look here, it's suggesting that we change the annual pay rise to 10% to look what happens to the information in columns E and F. So if we change this to 10%, we can see that it updates in real time, which is why it's important that we use the absolute cell here rather than typing 10% in each of, or 5%, sorry, in each of these formulas. Because then if it was to be updated, it would only need to be updated once instead of all those different times. The last thing we would need to do before moving on is make sure that all of the text is visible, and this one could do with a double click here. Sorted.